What's up, Ham Radio? Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, the Ham Radio Adventure Guy. Today, we're going to do an activation in Manatee Lake State Park. And I'm trying to figure out why it's so cold here in Florida. I don't understand it. It was so warm here, and all of a sudden, all of these northerners show up. We're going to activate with the roses, so stay tuned.
CQ Poda, November 8, Sierra, Tango Hotel, CQ Poda.
Everybody's stuff.
Alpha Delta 8, Kilo Bravo.
Alpha Delta 8, Kilo Bravo, 5-9 from all 8 ops.
QSL, got all 8 ops, 73.
Thanks so much in 7-3, QRZ. Alpha Delta 2, Charlie Delta, you are 5-5 into the park today, QSL. QSL, thanks for hunting. And 73, this is November 8, Sierra, Tango Hotel, calling CQ Poda. Vector Echo 3.
Vector Echo 3, Lima Delta Tango.
Victor Echo 3, Lima Delta Tango, 5-9, all 8, QSL.
5 Young copy, new 5 and 5 Ontario. Thanks.
Thanks, 7-3, QRZ.
40 Kilo Quebec 4, Juliet, Delta Juliet.
Kilo Quebec 4, Juliet, Delta Juliet, QSL.
Kilo Quebec 4, Juliet, Delta Juliet.
QSL, Juliet, Delta Juliet. You're a 5-9 from all 8, QSL.
I hear the 5-5, I'll take that, and I've got 2-5-8 into November Charlie.
QSL, thanks, 7-3, this is November 8, Alpha, Papa, Romeo, CQ, Parks in the Air.
Charlie Lima calling CQ, Parks in the Air.
Kilo, November 2, Lima, Zulu, Romeo X-ray.
Kilo Oscar 4, Zulu, Romeo X-ray. Got you a 5-9, all 8 ops, QSL.
QSL, 5-5 in the mobile in Missouri. Thanks, y'all, 73.
Thanks so much, and 7-3, QRZ.
Whiskey, November 3, Juliet, Alpha.
Whiskey Alpha.
Whiskey, Alpha 7, Uniform, Radio, Tango.
Whiskey Alpha 7, Uniform, Romeo, Tango. I got you about a 5-9 from all 8 ops, QSL.
QSL, have you 5-5, Alpha Zulu, 5-5, Alpha Zulu.
Thanks so much for Alpha Zulu, and thanks for hunting, and 7-3, QRZ.
I'm calling CQ, Parks on the Air.
November 2, November Victor Echo.
November 2, November Victor Echo, QSL.
I got you a 5-5.
QSL, I got you a 5-9 from all 8 operators, QSL.
Got you a 5-5 out of New Jersey. Thank you for the contact.
I told you.
Thanks so much in 7-3, QRZ.
All 8 operators. Next week I'll be down for Henderson. Okay,
Thanks a lot, Bob. 73, November 2, Big Taco Dinner, 5-9, Brian.
Okay, 5-9, all 8 operators, 7-3. Thank you, guys.
Thanks a lot, buddy. 73, QRZ.
Pat that dog. November 8.
Kilo Oscar 4 station.
Kilo Oscar 4 station.
I thought I heard a 3 in there.
Kilo Oscar 4 station.
Kilo Alpha 4, November X-ray pop-up.
CQ Parks in the Air, CQ Parks in the Air. November 8, Kilo Mike Romeo calling CQ Parks in the Air, CQ.
Go 3. Golf Hotel Delta, Park to Park.
Park to Park. Stand by. Victor Echo 3 Tango Hotel Romeo. You're about a 5-9
here.
into US
1894.
1894.
Roger, Kaylee. I got you all. You're all 55, all operators. Got them all.
Thanks so much in 7-3, the park to park.
Alpha.
Alpha Oscar.
Alpha Echo 4 X-ray.
X-ray. You're 5'9" and
Oh, wait.
08.
Go.
I'm 907, thanks, South Echo 4 Express.
Okay, now wait.
08.
Roger, all eight, thank you, 84 Express.
Even
Sounds
more
different.
because he's in work.
7-3. Keyword said CQ. This is Whiskey 8 Echo Romeo. CQ.
Kilo Oscar 4, Whiskey, Echo Whiskey.
Was it
Oscar 4 whiskey something whiskey.
Whiskey, Echo, whiskey.
Whiskey
No, kilo.
Kilo Oscar 4 Whiskey Echo Whiskey. You're 3-3 from all 8.
Said.
Kilo,
I
right?
just now spotted it. I wasn't expecting it. I just now spotted it because we're spotted now.
CQ Parks in the air, CQ Parks in the air, Kilo 8, Alpha Papa Romeo, CQ Parks in the air.
Kilo Echo 4, Eastern Standard Time.
Kilo Echo 4, Eastern Standard Time, 5 and 9, Michael. All 8 ops.
Roger, yeah, you're booming here on 20, got you good here. And copy my second operator, Kilo 4, Alpha, QSL.
There we go.
QSL got Kilo 4, Alpha. Thanks so much for hunting, and 7-3.
7-3, yeah, on Golf Quebec.
Kilo 8, Golf Quebec, 5 and 9, Terry, all 8.
5-9 with ice cream.
Yeah! Buddy, that's what I'm talking about. Thanks, Terry.
7-3.
7-3.
Much of a blanket. This
C-
November 4.
November Golf Kilo.
Kilo, November 4, November Golf Kilo. Dale, you're a 5 and 9 into US 1894 from all 8 ops.
Roger, you are 5-7 into East Tennessee. Thank you guys for being there. Hope you have a great day. 7-3.
Thanks so much in 7-3, QRZ.
Kilo Quebec 4, Lima, Bravo Mike.
Kilo Quebec 4, Lima Bravo Mike, you're a 5 and 9 from Whiskey 8 Echo Romeo and several other ops. QSL.
QSL, I have you also 5-9 in Tennessee. Thank you so much.
You're welcome in 7-3, QRZ.
If you like this video from Ham Radio Adventure Guy, click up here in the corner and watch another one. And while you're at it, click down here in the corner and subscribe. Make sure and follow us on all social media sites. And as always, thanks for sharing my adventure with me.